初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I need a new bag.
I need a new bag.
我需要一个新包。
I need a new bag.
I need a new bag.
I'm looking for shoes.
I'm looking for shoes.
我在找鞋子。
I'm looking for shoes.
I'm looking for shoes.
I want a better price.
I want a better price.
我想要更优惠的价格。
I want a better price.
I want a better price.
I need a receipt.
I need a receipt.
我需要收据。
I need a receipt.
I need a receipt.
I'm checking sizes now.
I'm checking sizes now.
我正在查看尺寸。
I'm checking sizes now.
I'm checking sizes now.
I want this in black.
I want this in black.
我想要黑色的这个。
I want this in black.
I want this in black.
I need a bigger one.
I need a bigger one.
我需要一个更大的。
I need a bigger one.
I need a bigger one.
I'll buy it later.
I'll buy it later.
我稍后再买。
I'll buy it later.
I'll buy it later.
I want to try this.
I want to try this.
我想试试这个。
I want to try this.
I want to try this.
I need help here.
I need help here.
我需要帮助。
I need help here.
I need help here.
I'm just looking around.
I'm just looking around.
我只是随便看看。
I'm just looking around.
I'm just looking around.
I like this style.
I like this style.
我喜欢这个款式。
I like this style.
I like this style.
I need another color.
I need another color.
我需要另一种颜色。
I need another color.
I need another color.
I want to compare prices.
I want to compare prices.
我想比较一下价格。
I want to compare prices.
I want to compare prices.
I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
我要这个。
I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
I need 2 of these.
I need 2 of these.
我需要2个这个。
I need 2 of these.
I need 2 of these.
I'm checking the quality.
I'm checking the quality.
我在检查质量。
I'm checking the quality.
I'm checking the quality.
I want a simple design.
I want a simple design.
我想要一个简单的设计。
I want a simple design.
I want a simple design.
I need something cheaper.
I need something cheaper.
我需要更便宜的东西。
I need something cheaper.
I need something cheaper.
I'm thinking about it.
I'm thinking about it.
我正在考虑。
I'm thinking about it.
I'm thinking about it.
I want to see more.
I want to see more.
我想看看更多。
I want to see more.
I want to see more.
I need a small size.
I need a small size.
我需要小号。
I need a small size.
I need a small size.
I'll pay by card.
I'll pay by card.
我会用卡支付。
I'll pay by card.
I'll pay by card.
I want this delivered.
I want this delivered.
我想要这个送货上门。
I want this delivered.
I want this delivered.
I need more options.
I need more options.
我需要更多选择。
I need more options.
I need more options.
I'm checking reviews first.
I'm checking reviews first.
我先查看评论。
I'm checking reviews first.
I'm checking reviews first.
I want a lighter one.
I want a lighter one.
我想要一个更轻的。
I want a lighter one.
I want a lighter one.
I need a quick buy.
I need a quick buy.
我需要快速购买。
I need a quick buy.
I need a quick buy.
I want to return this.
I want to return this.
我想退货。
I want to return this.
I want to return this.
I need a clean piece.
I need a clean piece.
我需要一件干净的。
I need a clean piece.
I need a clean piece.
I'll buy it today.
I'll buy it today.
我今天就买。
I'll buy it today.
I'll buy it today.
I want a fresh one.
I want a fresh one.
我想要一个新鲜的。
I want a fresh one.
I want a fresh one.
I need it by Friday.
I need it by Friday.
我需要在周五前拿到。
I need it by Friday.
I need it by Friday.
I want to check inside.
I want to check inside.
我想检查一下里面。
I want to check inside.
I want to check inside.
I need help choosing.
I need help choosing.
我需要帮助选择。
I need help choosing.
I need help choosing.
I want a soft material.
I want a soft material.
我想要柔软的材料。
I want a soft material.
I want a soft material.
I'm comparing both now.
I'm comparing both now.
我正在比较两者。
I'm comparing both now.
I'm comparing both now.
I need a better fit.
I need a better fit.
我需要更合身的。
I need a better fit.
I need a better fit.
I want to confirm price.
I want to confirm price.
我想确认价格。
I want to confirm price.
I want to confirm price.
I'll decide very soon.
I'll decide very soon.
我很快会决定。
I'll decide very soon.
I'll decide very soon.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。